What's up, Mafia? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back, and if you're new, welcome. You can join the fam by hitting that subscribe button. It's the red button up under the video. Once you hit it, it'll turn gray, and then you can hit that bell so you'll be notified when I post and you don't miss a video. So today, guys, I'm going to be showing you how I made these two muscle shirt, tank top, safety pin type crop top things. I don't really know what to call them, but I know y'all been seeing them, so if you want to know how to make them, keep on watching.
What are you doing?
Okay, y'all, so I had seen these a couple times on just social media scrolling, and I was like, oh, they cute. So one day I just wanted to try it out. I had it in my mind for a while, and I finally just went and got the stuff. So I just went to Walmart and I got some white woman beaters. And I got a size small, but I only could find them in the men's section, so they was kind of like, you know, men's sizes, and they was real long, so I had to cut whatever length I wanted, of course. So I just made a line on the front where I wanted it, and you just turn it you can fold it in half to make it easier and to make sure that you don't like mess up really bad. Like if you tried to cut it while it was laying out, that would be bad. But yeah, just to make it symmetrical, even if it is crooked. But just fold it in half and just cut it. I wish I had some fabric scissors, because these were kind of, you know, you had to take your time with them. They weren't really trying to cut through it, but I made them work. So that's what I'm just doing here. I'm just cutting it to my desired length. Okay, so of course I tried it on after, just to make sure it was, you know, straight. It was a good length or whatever. So now I'm just taking a marker, the marker that I use, you know, to mark where I want it. And I'm just making a line down the middle where I'm gonna cut it. And of course I'm gonna have to cut more than just a straight line, so you're gonna see what I'm gonna do when I take it off. I just wanted to make sure it was a line in the middle first. So now I just took it off, and I'm about to get ready to cut it down the middle, and I'm gonna put the safety pins on there. These are the ones I got. They are the colossal safety pins, the biggest ones they had. You can get whatever size you want, really, but I just wanted the big ones. See how big they are? I thought I could find some bigger ones, but they didn't have any bigger ones. Okay, so next I just laid the safety pin down, because you don't want to cut the shirt too much to where it's like the safety pin is kind of holding it together. You really just want the safety pins there for like decoration, not to really just hold the shirt together and have to pull on the shirt. So I want to make sure I don't cut too big of a gap to where they're like pulling the safety pin. So that's what I did. I measured a little bit smaller than the safety pin, so they can just really just sit up there. Okay, and now I'm folding it. You see how I folded it like a weird way, you know? You see how I folded it. I just pulled it to where both of the lines meet on the other side, and I can just cut one line so I don't have to cut both sides of the gap, you know. So now I'm just measuring up to make sure that I'm relatively close to what I marked, and I'm just going to cut it down the middle. Okay, y'all, so as you see, I ended up making a line all the way down it just to stay on track, because I had to hold it with my knee to give it a little tension, so it's easier if you have a little help. If somebody else could like hold the other side, you know, while you cut or whatever, but the better scissors would help. So that's why I was saying, like, the scissors act like they didn't want to cut, so I ended up having to give it a little tension with my knee. But if you have fabric scissors, you should be fine. So now I am just taking my safety pins and pinning them all the way down the middle of the gap. I ended up, I wanted to alternate my safety pins. So like you see the heavier side of the safety pin, I wanted to alternate that so it wouldn't be too much weight on one side. I just feel like it's just more balanced, you know. I like things kind of balanced, so I just alternated my safety pins all the way down, and yeah, that's just what I'm doing now. My mom had called, but like I said, I'm just pinning the safety pins all the way down the gap. Here is the finished product. This is tank number 1. I ended up making like 2 other ones of this one before I don't even think I wore that one that day. In the pictures that I took, it wasn't this one, I don't think. But yeah, this is the finished product. This is my very first time trying this, so you know, I ended up trying it again, whatever. But next, now I already cut this one because y'all saw me cut the first one, so I didn't record me cutting this one. I cut it a little shorter, but we're gonna do this one a little different. I'm gonna try the little swoop thing. As I said, this is my very first time trying this. I've never tried this before. So I had a couple, like, you know, after I only recorded 2, but I ended up making like 4. But these were my first ones. I think I'm looking up some, like, to make sure that I do this how I'm thinking. Yeah, I think it's what I did. So I want this one to be like curved. So I'm gonna mark it off. I'm here to tell you. Yeah, I'm marking it off, and then I'm going to lay it down. But this one, I am gonna have to cut both sides of the gap, so I can't really fold it like that. So once I got it marked off, again, I'm measuring the safety pin, but I have to draw both sides of the gap because I can't fold this one and cut it because it's going to be curved. The other one was a little easier. This one is a little more difficult, but it's not hard, but you just have to do more. We'll cut both sides. It's not really a lot. So that's just what I'm doing here, and now I'm about to cut it. So once I got both sides cut, now it's time to start putting the safety pins on. With this one, it was a lot harder to try to keep them like straight since I cut it like curved. So it's easier to get them off balance with this, so you want to make sure you line the gap up accordingly. Like you want to make sure that it's straight on both sides and the curves are going with each other, because it's easy to get them off balance. And again, I am alternating them because I don't want too much weight on one side. See how I had messed up? I kept moving the gap, and like some of them are crooked up there. I ended up going back and fixing it. That's why I ended up making multiple. So yeah, just be careful with that. It's just trial and error. You know, you learn, you can fix it. It's easy fix, nothing too difficult. Ta-da! And this is the finished results. This one turned out really cute. I really liked it after I had fixed the safety pins, but it was really cute. I actually haven't wore this one. I only wore the straight down the middle one. But yeah, these were fun to make, a little arts and crafts moment, DIY, because these are real easy to make. So let me know if you guys make one. Y'all can send me pictures and stuff on Instagram or whatever. And just let me know. Let me see yours. I look forward to. I'll probably make some more, you know, with different colors and stuff. But Walmart only had the white on my size, so yeah. But I hope you enjoy this video, this little DIY moment. Let me know what you think down below in the comments. Let me know which one is your favorite. Like this video up, comment down below anything else you would like me to try, and I will. Let me know which one y'all like, which one is your favorite. But yeah, and subscribe to my channel if not already to join the fam. Period. And I got a little surprise. So after this video, I didn't know the camera was still rolling, but I took the cut off part of the tank top, and I pulled it up as a skirt. And then I realized that the camera was still on, and I was like, oh, look at this. It's like a whole little two-piece moment. Like, I was like, oh my gosh, ain't no way I done did this. But yeah, that was real fun. But yeah, thank you for watching. See you in the next video.